Okay, it looks like you lucky ducks get a 2 for today. First, this. I know exactly what this is 'cause I ordered it. And the second thing I opened, I was like, oh, it ain't coming in boxes here. Or this time. So, yeah, anyway. Basically, the cheapo, buy one, get one of the, the made in China U.S. military thing. So, yeah, 2 of them. Also, for those who watch my my vehicle watch channel, I will explain something tomorrow. Okay, do not worry. It says in a comment. So yeah, SHTF mystery box. Okay, so this month's retail was $53.95. The first item is Dragon fire plugs, which are very handy. Okay. I'm not gonna use them, but they're very handy. Sorry for my own Tinder. Busy. I know someone who will get that. That comes in a 25 pack for $9.99. Now, something I'm actually kind of excited about, because the slingshot is a Trailblazer Shepherd's slingshot at $12.99. Yeah. It's handcrafted in China, or put together in China. I'm not going to open this because I might need it for something. It looks like it's leather or pleather. Right? That's pretty cool. Next would be the Smalley accessory clip, which is probably down here. Yep. Yep, it's a Molly accessory clip. I've used that. Believe it or not, I do. So yeah. It looks black, but it's black. That comes in at $7.99. Now, something I'm happy about. Trauma shears. It's a bug out trauma shears 2-pack for $12.99. Now, this time, I didn't make y'all wait for the knife item because that's the last thing on the thing. So yeah, the trauma shears. I could use these. These are always useful for me since I have first aid kits. So yeah. The last, you know what's funny? This is actually one thing I actually wanted. So I was like, no freaking way, dude. Is this? Can I open this and close it? Anyway, it's the last ditch Molly knife, which I'm assuming which comes with this way comes with. Yeah, dear Lord, that really is last. You know, I'm gonna look at this thing. Let's look at this thing. Cause a cord I'm gonna use. Okay, got it. Okay, so discreet self-defense weapon. I have like 15 on me, so yeah. Rubber overmold handle. You know what? Yeah, just look at this if y'all want. Yeah, it's okay. Let's get the good stuff. It's handcrafted in China, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, yeah. You know, I'm going to take this out because I wanted to use it. Wow, wow. You know what? I have a receipt right here. Let's see if it cuts. Unless it's meant to. I guess it's meant to. But yeah. That's pretty cool. How do I put it on? Or put it in? Wait, how? Oh god, how do I put it in? What? Let me see. Ta-da! Self-defense knife. Anyway. Okay, so here's something I've learned about these seven knives. You do this, so you don't scratch up any paint, and then I'm pretty sure you have to do some other crap anyway to get this out. But yeah, yeah, I like. I've actually wanted this too, to be honest. To be honest, I've actually wanted this. Let's see how it goes. I'm never using this. I'm gonna use it for cordage, but it's useless to me, to be honest. Yeah. But yeah, that is this month's SHTF mystery box. Or bag, I guess. Yeah. Slingshot I'm gonna use because, well, I like slingshots and sling bows. Molly webbing I always have use for. Okay, so let's put. Okay, so Jack and Fire good, but not gonna use it, so I'm gonna put it in the like it pile either way, because that's actually really useful. Okay, the slingshot I'm putting in like because it's a slingshot. I like slingshots. And by the way, this is the most cheap filling plastic you ever see. Okay, the Molly thing I could use because I have used the yeah, like a pile, and the shields definitely like it and useful. I could give the second one to somebody too because I know someone who's trying to do a first aid kit. And last ditch one, like it because I've always wanted this. I'll be honest here. And I have a better thing for this either way, so yeah. So all like it piles actually, including my buy one get one. So yeah, another month I like. Of course, not as good as the SHTF mystery box or the workshop one, but both were $20. Honestly, I literally wanted this. I saw this. I don't know whose video I saw this, so I was like, I want to see that to see how small it is. Yeah, I guess it's a, you know, literally you gotta like that or whatever. I guess I don't know. But yeah, either way, you know, it's really good. Do I think they stepped up the game this year? The SHTF Mystery Box? I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm glad they not stopped. Like, literally, Bud K, CH Cadell's, whichever one you get, the same company, never quit putting the blade in this. Seriously. This is helping my blade collection too. But yeah, I was like, what? Because it came in a bag. Literally, I swear it came in a bag. I was like, what? So yeah, this has been the SHTF mystery box, the primary box. Now, let me tell you, I'm expecting only things I could use, things I could use in a pinch, and things, if I had to, I would use. So anyway, it didn't disappoint. The fire plugs I'm going to give to somebody. The slingshot I'm keeping because I have a sling bow, and I could use that for whatever. Oh wait, I know what that is. It's one of those. Would you? Yeah, I definitely have use for that in a kit. The accessory clip I like because I like accessory clips. Oh, and the start of a little vehicle kit because this has one of those glass picker things. And a simple cutter thing, which is basically just a small little razor blade. Wait, how to go here? So yeah, I think I'm happy with the. I'm actually satisfied. Actually, not happy, but satisfied with January 2023's SHTF picture box. If I did the Pro, I would have also got the Bushmaster Survival Castle Cooking Camp Set and a Trapper Winter's Hat. Oh, by the way, last month's the thing with the hat, or the balaclava and the mittens have come in handy. Let's just say that. Then I would have got, if I had the late box, the Spartan wool blanket and the Bushmaster carbon steel ulu and sheath. But here's the thing. For me, I know I'm video padding or whatever, but this, the $20 box, that's the easiest one for me to get. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go inform the person that's going to get those plugs that they're getting them. Anyway, peace.